Circulatory system. Heart. The heart is the body's inbuilt pump. It performs the important function of pumping blood all over the body. It provides organs and muscles with the nutrients and oxygen that they need to survive. It also protects the body from disease. The heart beats over 2 billion times in a lifetime without stopping. The walls of the heart are made up of cardiac muscles, which repeatedly relax, drawing blood in and contract, pushing blood out. The right side of the heart receives blood from the cells and pump it to the lungs to get oxygen. The left side takes this oxygen-rich blood and sends it around the body. Each side of the heart has two linked chambers, an upper atrium and a lower ventricle. Valves inside the heart ensure a one-way flow of blood. By placing a stethoscope to a person's chest, a doctor can listen to the sound of the heartbeat made by these valves. Blood. Blood is the connecting fluid of our body. It flows past every cell in the body, delivering the nutrients and oxygen that the cells need for survival. As it travels, blood picks up unwanted carbon dioxide, which it carries to the lungs. There, it is breathed out. The two main components of blood are plasma and blood cells, made inside our bones. Plasma is a yellow fluid which supplies food to all the body cells. There are three types of blood cells. Platelets help to heal wounds. Red blood cells carry oxygen to cells and remove waste. White blood cells fight against diseases. Plasma constitutes 1% of the blood, whereas red blood cells and white blood cells make up about 44% of the blood. In every drop of blood, there are over 250 million red blood cells, 375,000 white blood cells, and 16 million platelets. Between 4 to 6 liters of blood flows through the body of an adult. The average human heart beats about 75 times a minute. In a year, a human heart would pump enough blood to fill an Olympic-sized pool. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are tubes that form a vast network, carrying blood to every part of our body. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. All arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, except for the pulmonary artery. The veins carry oxygen-poor blood from different parts of the body back to the heart. Both arteries and veins are linked by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. The circulation of blood in the body takes place in two parts. Pulmonary system carries blood from the heart to the lungs. It throws out carbon dioxide and carries oxygen back to the heart. Systemic system carries oxygen-rich blood to various parts of the body and collects the impure blood back to the heart. Arteries and veins are linked by a vast network of capillaries. Arteries divide to form the capillaries, which take blood close to the body cells and then join up to form veins. The biggest artery leaves the left side of the heart and branches out to the head, arm, chest, and legs. Special pulmonary artery carries oxygen-poor blood from the heart to the lungs. Carotid arteries supply blood to our brain. Veins from the legs and abdomen empty into a single large vein that runs up to the heart. Another large vein delivers blood from the head, chest, and arms. Special pulmonary veins carry oxygen-rich blood from the junes to the left side of the heart. Have you ever wondered what is it you feel when you place your hand on your wrist? It is your pulse. You can tell how fast your heart is beating or pumping blood by checking your pulse.